Hello, everybody, welcome to a brand new video. This should be interesting to say the least. I don't know how it's gonna go. Hopefully, well, I hope. But if not, I'm doing away with it. It shouldn't matter, hopefully. Anyhow, today we're starting Windows 11 Pro, my main rig. The reason being, I have a domain, or I have a Windows server build running. It's been running for close to a year now. And it has Active Directory running on it. And to take advantage of Active Directory domain services, you need a Pro version of Windows. So, I want to do Windows 10 Pro. You can't seem to bother anymore. I'm sure you can, just not easily. So fuck it. I'll go with 11 Pro. And so now we need to install on the main rig. I could do an inputs upgrade. I don't really like doing those. I prefer to do a clean install. So my plan is, right now I have a lot of stuff going on, school stuff, and other things, videos and stuff to do. So I don't want to wet the main SSD up with Windows 10 on it, so I know for sure that this is going to work just fine. I'll be able to run on it, hopefully, all that stuff. So, being an IT person, I have spare parts, and I have a spare SSD. This is a, what are they, 120? I don't know if that's, yeah, 120, I think, gig, SSD. It's tiny, but it's enough to get install Windows going, and I'll slowly move it over from my NVMe drive to this drive. Once I know everything works on here, we'll then clone this drive to the NVMe drive, and by boom, by uncle, we'll have a working Windows 11 install on the main rig on the NVMe drive. But for starters, we're going to start out by installing to here and clone it over later. When I said install, I just started on a SATA SSD. I got a computer, there was an NVMe drive. And later on, I cloned it out as well, NVMe drive cloned over. Starting off, I do a boot at Windows 10 and 11. I'll go to the computer because of, unlike I showed me installing the drive, it's so damn simple and it's not a permanent thing for that build. It's literally just temporary. And then we'll install this to it, the main rig, and we'll go from there. So, yeah. That being said, we're gonna head downstairs now. I'll go ahead and install the drive myself, like I said. And then I'll try to attach my laptop with my HD Pro. Oh, it is. HD S Plus. I can't remember what it's called. No, the Pro, the PCI one. The HD S Plus is like where I have my USB computer, my laptop, because I have the capture. No, this is going on the computer I normally capture stuff with. This is going on the computer I normally capture stuff with. So we can't use that to capture, obviously. I'll use my laptop instead. So all it turns out okay, and we'll go from there. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part. Alright, hope this all goes well. I think it's all hooked up right. I'm gonna hit W here to do the boot override on this, or the BIOS actually. Thanks. I got that wrong. I did. Yeah. You guys don't have video input for some reason. What the hell? Oh, really? Okay. Alright. So F12 was the BIOS key. Or was F2 the BIOS in. I'm gonna spend F12 here. No, delete was the BIOS key. The fuck? I was right too. Okay. Why are you not booting to the fucking There we go. Alright. Save it, exit, boot override. Windows 10, that's confusing. I'm guessing that's... Did they not change it to Windows 11? Yeah, they sure didn't. It's weird. Man, that's the wrong flashlight. That came out with Windows 11 bucks. This is Windows 11, right? Installing. I just opened the box the first time, so I know it's not the one from the wrong box. We'll do that later. We're gonna see it says 10 or 11. Okay, 11. Cool. I'm gonna do Windows 11 Pro that I have. It's a short little video. 9/25, one day after my birthday. Not quite 2 years ago yet. This guy's kind of old then. That's fine, it's me person. Windows 11 Pro. Hit next. Oh, piss off. Why? Okay. Why does it not meet the requirements? And bullshit. Yes, it does meet the requirements. It's fine. This is already going wrong. I'm pretty sure it wasn't supported CPU list. So it's probably something not turned on in the fucking BIOS. That's gonna cause a problem. I wonder if TVM is enabled. To be compatible with 64-bit processor, let's see. It is the 8500 on the list. And that was 11. For Intel Core i5 10s 11, 12, 13. Okay, here's 8500. So that's on the one version. What about the other version? Just to be third out here. i5. I'm sure it's on here. 8500. Okay, so that's good. Maybe if I'm guessing TPM is probably not enabled. Display is more than fine. And fuck, the AC vent is blocked. Alright, so my guess is that TPM is not enabled on this computer. That's fine, we can fix that. My only concern is with Windows 10 still built without TPM or with TPM enabled. So we might have to go in and enable that real quick, which is not a big deal. I can have that problem when I do the test build too. And that's gonna involve us rebooting back into the BIOS. So, Gigabyte enable, and this is done later required this one. Yeah, Intel twisted and everything. Yeah, that sounds better from. I knew this on a test build. I hit the reset button here. I still see this. I popped the reset button here. And it was delete the BIOS, I believe. Alright, so now we're gonna go to advanced mode, which we're already in, I think. Yeah. Settings. Don't have that. Yeah, this is the advanced mode. F2 didn't do that. Let's try system. For peripherals, okay. Intel, yeah, this guy right here. Intel Twisted Technology. Probably the same thing. We're gonna enable that. Save and exit. Save and exit, yes. I'm gonna hit the right mouse again here. I don't know if it'll save if I just go into the override or not. Alright. Override. So Windows 10 for the button, but whatever. Once you browse it, everything else matches up. It should be compatible. I mean, the teaching is just fucking stupid in my opinion, but you know what? Whatever. Retro shit. They do a lot of dumb shit I really don't like. But, here's if I want to do this, so. Let's try and get it to work. Install now. Then we're going to ignore this part. Hit Pro. Hit Next. And let's see if we get. Yep, there we go. I thought it was. Next. Custom. Alright, so drive 1 is the main SSD. Well, that's confusing as fuck. I know drive 0 I erased, that's 120 gigs. So 30. 120. So we need to delete this guy right here. It's only a whopping 524 megs. Drive 1 is the 10 best you have. Your system reserved. The NVR is like the main boot drive. Total 564, 65. Wow. And then this one is. So drive 0 is the new SSD I added in. We're gonna hit next to this. And then boom. Hopefully that works. Alright. I'll come back when this is all ready. Alright, so using the engine load in there may have been a mistake, let's see, but I think it's clear to do, but the question is, did it make itself independent, or is it relying on the other drive? It didn't say, hey, I'm gonna make partitions for me for, you know, system reserved and stuff, so if it didn't create the partitions, is it relying on the other SSD, and if so, is it gonna fuck it when I pull that out? Or when I wipe it out, actually. So that could get interesting. Yeah, we're not doing this. So, there's a command you can do to get around this. Well, this is just stupid. So to do it, you shift and F10, command prompter, OOBE, things for out of box experience, / bypass, ARL. And we're gonna let reboot. Indeed, I'm not creating, I do not sign anything on the MS account because fuck off and fuck you. Okay, can you set the timer at turns at the fucking BCD later? Wonderful. Alright, yes. And yes, to here, skip. I don't have internet. Not asking yourself before. Then tell it to go fuck itself. I'm gonna do admin on here because see why later. Fuck you. That's a dumb idea, but I ain't that worried about it. So I'm gonna see why I'm doing this later as part of my plan for active directory. I'll probably default later anyway, so let's see if it created this partition. If it didn't, that could be an issue. Whoever else creates like an MBR partition and a system partition, or not MBR, but you know, whatever it uses now, UEFI. If you didn't create those and use the ones on the SSD, eventually those won't be there when that drop out and get rid of Windows 10, so that could be a problem. That kind of worries me right now. So I need to redo that and unplug the SSD, which I didn't want to do, but if I have to, I'll do it now than later. I should do it anyway, honestly. I need you to BIOS to pick where I can boot from. I probably can get rid of the fucking boot menu later. So we'll just deal with that for now. Alright. We have no drivers, that's fine. This PC. Man, he's not here anymore. Huh. Drastic. Computer management. I want to see that it created its stuff. Fuck. It didn't. So I fucked this stuff up doing that in the process. God damn it. Oh wait. It's up here, and yeah, no, it didn't. Alright, so that's not gonna work. I don't think. Alright, fuck you then. So, I'll go through the process again off camera. I'll pull up the new drive and start over. God damn it. I guess don't leave NVMe drive in. Don't leave the previous drive in. Piece of shit. That's why I fucking hate Windows and things. A lot, actually. Alright, I'll pull it NVMe drive. Fuck you, Mike, and start over. We're back. Let's very similar to last time. After we install quick, I memorized the command to get on the internet bullshit. I can't forget it, and I just don't want to. I don't want a something. Just to show that I'm not here, pure magnet. But I cut that down rather than later. We're gonna disname it here. Because you have the E5 partition. These use the other drives partition before, and it won't work. Hence, it won't work that drive out. So now when the drive is standalone by itself, it does not use the other drive. And now we can begin setting shit up. On the fifth line, so shit. Alright. So now to my Ethernet cable out. And I'll connect. So do I have a 10 gig card working? Probably not, huh? No. Do I have the internal one working? Network. Yes. Okay. So I don't have a 10 gig card working. I do have the internal card working. Which is. Alright. Go to the onboard deck here. And now we get us online. And on the network here. We're going to bring it back from in front. Net use. We're not using all of them. So that we do G colon 128.1.23 / main. Alright, software, drivers, desktops. We're going to take this guy here and come on. Extract it here. So did that load the driver in? Looks like it. That worked. Yep. Alright, cool. We now have that working. Now we need to set up the here. Piss off. Alright. I'm gonna just take a guess here. Maybe the wrong foot. No. Oh, it's the G4 is 1600, I believe. What are those? The GTX, right? GeForce GTX. That's one. GeForce GTX 16 series. RX 1650. Windows 11. Search. Download. Oh wait. It may have done it for us. Yep. Never mind. Alright, you guys are the last input. Hold on. It's not a little confused. There. Never mind, it did it for us. Let's get that up and running. Alright, whatever. So we now have, yep. Windows is just going through and knocking things out, so. Alright, cool, whatever. Let's go ahead and, because I could care less for Edge. I prefer Chrome. Yeah, go fuck yourself. Edge. Edge is blah, but I just don't care for it. They kind of bitch at you. Hey, no, stay with Edge. Like, yeah, fuck you. I give a shit. It's my computer. I'll do as I please with it. Thank you very much. And go fuck yourself. So Edge cannot piss off. My advice you get rolled over to this computer, recording wise. I gotta get the fucking other shit hooked up too, huh? Because then I had one monitor hooked up because I had it on the floor. The bare has been disconnected. Okay, just run. Don't sign in. So that's default. Don't hit sign into shit. Alright, cool. OBS. None of this. And right, I don't have the MD recommended to pull the configuration file back up somewhere on the server. And I'll pull off an SLDR. Security warning. Oh wait, no, it's not working. Dog gun installed. Oops. Download. Start OBS. And install it. Go to monitor. What did I cancel here? Now hopefully it's gonna create. I sent my account first though, huh? Okay. I remember loading my configuration data from my other drive, but I need to sign in to send that money. I'm not gonna use this account actually. I'm gonna use something else. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use this. I'll forget that there. Is connect now to my Active Directory server and send my account there. So we're gonna go to computer, this PC. Alright. Properties. Domain and work group. And before I do that, let me do something real quick here. Let me connect my NIC here, my 10 gig NIC, and do this correctly. And we need to set something up here. Network internet settings, Ethernet. We're on the, that's the 10 gig port, nice. And edit this too. Private. Edit this. I won't pass off. Can I still do it the old way? Developer settings. Yeah. Directory settings. Internet 2 properties. IPv4 properties. DNS. 123. DNS has to be the server's IP address to work. Alright, try the domain here. We're gonna use that one. Domain. Okay, cancel the memory. TechSavvvvy.net. You go, let's tell you like that. Your name. This is the annoying one of this. Alright, I'll restart now. So what I want to do here, I want to do this the way it should be done in an enterprise environment or a business environment. That's not the way people always do it, but it's the way it should be done. So TechSavvvvy will be my main standard user. Right now it is admin. I'm going to disable that soon. So I'll have TechSavvvvy be my main account that I sent on here, my daily use thing, the non-admin. One account called Jameson, my whole name. That will be the admin account that I'll use to administrate things. And I'll still have the standard Windows admin account for the other stuff. So right here, I'm going to try to get this thing up and running back on the table. Everything plugged into it. Right now I have the bare minimum plugged in on the floor, so I can access the insides to change shit out. So moving the SSD is pretty easy. Why are we not booting up? And yes, I know that sounds pretty loud. It's the laptop, like much about it. So I want to get OBS running on the desktop, so it's quieter for you guys. The computer's still on, so it's taking a sweet fucking time to boot though, isn't it? We have a minute here. So there's some changes that you made to this setup, but let's try and get the basics up and running first. Remember the EasyJet isn't working yet, and it's not able to reset. Then a second, I'll pop the reset button. Alright, put it. Now it should boot up. There we go. We're going to go into Windows 11, of course. So that I can't boot off of now. I pulled the flash out. And I don't have the SSD of the NVMe drive connected yet. So I need to cut all my shit off of. Then we'll clone this drive back to that drive. Have our install going. Oh. What was it updating still? Anyhow, it booted. The other user. And sign in as myself. Alright, let's be the account I use for all my stuff here. So I'll create I don't have what would be my admin account created yet. And the reason why you want to have an admin account that's not the actual admin, the default administrator account. Let's say you have 10 administrators in your business. And let's say they all use the default built-in Windows admin account. Let's say one admin makes a change that is horrendous and rogue. They were doing it with bad intentions. You need to know who made that change. When you go through the logs and the audits and stuff, you're not going to know who because it was made by the default admin account. Versus, let's say, 10 people, 10 administrators, each have their own admin login. You look in the logs, you'll see that, Tom made a change that exposed corporate data to the internet. Tom gets fired, Tom's account is deleted, and boom, case closed. Now, in my case, that doesn't matter because I'm the only admin, but I want to get into good habits for my career, so we're going to do my own admin account that's not the default admin, but not right now. So we have my account loaded up here. We're going to OBS here, just so it builds its files and stuff. And then if I go into my data percent, for OBS configuration, I'm going to pull up my Windows 10 drive. So maybe I'm ready to reconnect the SSD, boot into here, and get it all working. But before I turn this off, I'll activate Windows, and we'll move from there. Make sure it does activate. With the option, I'm going to set my key. I'll be back. Alright. And now I get OBS up and running so I can pull this laptop out and work on other things. Just getting it all set for me to use. So, you see now, when I open OBS, we still have nothing in here. We're gonna fix that without manually doing it. So I have the NVMe drive reconnected. It did not boot off it booted off of this. So here's the D drive, which is my old machine. This is for career only that I was using. I'm gonna go under users, me, and override that. It'll take a minute to force through there. And there's no person on that account. Okay, we're gonna go into Alt view here. Show hidden items. Data. Local. Where does it store? I go like this. Where does it go to? Data roaming. Alright. This is my old OBS configuration though. Alright. What the fuck is that? Copy this path. I want go back into here. Alright. And delete this guy. I just want to fucking copy it. Fuck. Control C. Control V. There we go. So now when I open OBS, we should get all my old stuff. Awesome. I go to screen capture. It's a little fucked up. But yeah. I had no audio yet because the computer's sitting on the floor right now. It's just a bit plugged into it. So I have to plug it all back in so everything works again. So yeah. So now I'll do that. I'm gonna take a break right here. I got stuff to do around the house. I want to get this shit done at least I can come back later. And start the screen recording, have my other monitor. It's kind of now hooked up and they work. Oh, cool, I think it works. Nice. Now the thing I do know is I'm a little confused on where to store things. Because the D drive is here, but this is not the same D drive as before. I don't want to store it there. So I end up wiping out this drive eventually. Alright, that's what I said. So I'm going to do a new folder here. And go to temp, record, go to settings, output, recording, and we're going to change to here just temporarily. There we go. Alright. Just because I don't want to wipe out this, I don't want, what I'm going to do, I'll wipe out this D drive here, and then move this drive over to here, which is the NVMe drive. I swear, I'll forget if I forget it's there. So, we're going to do it like that, and then we'll do that later. Alright, I'm going to shut this down now. I'll work on it more later. Alright, so, back here on the phone. So my whole idea was to have Windows 10 running still. Be able to boot to it and use it for certain things. It will not boot anymore. Fuck it, I'm not saving it. We're moving on. So I have crosswork to do. I need to get a Linux VM running. I had mine running. It's like a Windows 10, I need to pull that over. So I'll do a few things. So one, we get into the server here. And connect to the server. We're going to have to use the default admin login. Yes. Alright, consult in there. I'm gonna browse to my notes if I'm browsing my other hard drive to get to that though. Nope, my notes here. There we go. Alright. We're gonna follow that here. We're gonna hit the server manager. The kind of understand should be admin, right? Yeah, we don't like that here. So, active directory. Administrative center. Users. I'm gonna find here. Right click and go to properties. Extensions. We don't like to put that on. We're going to remove the domain admins from there. Security. Domain admins are not going to. Remember, remove that. On me, right? Yep. Administrators. Remove. Part of that. Okay. So now I'm gonna log out, log back in, and see if that took effect. Let me see here. Come back in 1 second. Alright. Any changes made for the take effect? Still log out and log back in. If I do this? Yes. No. That did not work. Okay. Oh, fuck. Come on. Get rid of all that. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. Maybe learn something else though. Main users, yeah. But other things that deny. Okay, let's try that and see. So I've already tried this. Doesn't get rebooted, and no, it does not. Well, if you guys see it or not, but it doesn't let me enter a password. If you guys see it or not, but enter my password, my user. Does not allow it. I think I can finish that. But no, it's not letting me do it. So let's get VMware installed here and get my Linux VM going. I have stuff to do. I think all I need to do here is come in here and change this time zone to -5. Because it was 4 o'clock like 3 hours ago. Okay, better. Yeah, why does it sync to that and then I give it kind of fucking more error? I just downloaded a more player the other day. I got my drive here. Working actually a whole lot of this, huh? Get more players full. Yeah, of course. So what version? I do want to make my own dedicated admin account, but for now I'm going to use just the built-in one. I haven't gotten that far yet. I want to get things just set enough to do these assignments real quick and get me one. And get my VM running. Because I have assignments to do. I want them both done today. I need a Linux VM to do it. Fuck off. No. It's fine. Still. I'm not doing CSC my full configuration process. I'll deal with the rest later. Yeah. Definitely work now. This is my best, my work best, my what for make sure I grab that tomorrow. I'm just gonna go to my car, but I forgot to take it off when I came in the house yesterday after work. So I was on my desk now instead. I'm like, yeah. I have to wear a jacket, I forget under my jacket, and I'm walking with it, fuck it. Wear a damn bears in the house again. Not a big deal, it's annoying. That's all. Alright. Finish. Just opens up here. I'm using it for now. What do I use? Audibly School is not commercial, but that give me a key, so fuck them. Okay. So now I'm gonna go back into other drive here. Users, me, and where does it say it's VMs too? So I'll put reinstalling it. Let's put them in here. Yeah. You. Forgot those. You know what? I'll just take that. Paste that into here. And open existing. Play. And okay, whatever. So I ain't gonna boot that. I guess we'll boot. What was that? I mean, that was the ISO file. Which now in the wrong spot because this is not the same C drive that it was yesterday. Okay, that works. Cool. Alright, I'll get this court done here, then maybe I'll come back tonight or tomorrow and get more shit going on here. Alright, back. So we'll go ahead and start getting more shit here. Today is Thursday, the 26th. My goal is to get this done by Sunday, which is the 28th. So that's gross to my other hard drive, the SSD that come out of boots. And let's hit the desktop there. Me. Desktop. What programs do I need to copy over? Still watch. Let's make us a list here. Oops. Okay, I can just literally copy that over. Probably not gonna show that one. Copy that over. We're gonna need a box, 7-zip on my server. Steam, and copy the library. It makes these before you do a reinstall, but I planned on it still working. Afterwards, so that didn't work though. Multi-MZ. Discord will put on here. I'm gonna just copy that one over. Alright. So you guys first install. Everything else I didn't have on the desktop before it did. Oh, yeah. That's not better though. What do I have in here? Files. Drivers. I'm gonna do that later when I do my running. Atrium. That I don't need. I just did just in case thing because it's being weird. I found out why. Wasn't related. Putty, probably need that. What the fuck is this? I have no idea. I'm not sure I can. I don't need that much. So we still don't need that anymore, that's for sure. I was walking to the owl, yeah. That was the wrong one. Oops. Yeah, we already did that one. Alright. tell you about my server now for installers. Get back that order right in. Actually, it has been out how long is in there. Cool. Alright, software, programs. There's 7-zip. Could do that ever. Oh, oops. Oh. What anyway? Potty? You have that. Cool. And Shark. I'm not about that. So you have 2 done. 7-zip and potty. So let's create the admin account I want to use to install this shit with. For the account I want to use. So we're going to go to my notes here on my other drive. This is very confusing. What I want to do right now actually is send to. I figured this out last night. This is a. Fine. Yeah, not gonna do that on purpose. Alright, home border, but close enough. Alright. I have my notes here. Here, remote desktop. Only 3 right here. I believe. I feel like I'm myself. It should deny it, right? Yeah. I can't, that's the admin now. So I can get into the server. Alright. So now let's set a new account to be my admin account. So I got to earlier in a normal server environment. Really, you should have the master admin account, like the Windows building one, should only be, the only one that should have password is the head of IT. Everybody else should have their own admin account, so I'm going to do it here. So I'm creating an account for me to use. I'll show you the accounts I have now that are not special. So I have, of course, the built-in admin account, Dropshare. It's an account for when, let's do a fourth up. Oh well. It's an account for when I want to copy paste from a computer to the server, but I don't want to have access to everything just for security things. So I have one folder that account can access, and that's it. My guest account should be just the one. It's probably not though. I have to fix that. Okay, it's this one. Cool. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. That's weird. So I'm logged in as that account. Whenever. I'm gonna really fuck something up. Domain users. I'm gonna really fuck that one up. And this is a read-only account. These are actually read-only. If you look at it, yeah. So it's read-only because if I need a computer, if I have a computer I'm working on, I need to be able to copy things from that server, but I fully trust it. This is the read-only account, and I have it as covered there. My series is doing on my other channel. The guy's creator's name is. let's create a new account. So let's go on this one. So let's go to new, create a user. First name, my name, I said earlier. Login name, and as this. Password, I'll just make it very secure now. I'm going to disable that too. Right, others. Alright, now let's go to Administrative Center, Users. Let's look at this one real quick here. What is going on? Oh, it's all fucked up. What the hell? Let's add this. Do that. So that helps unfuck it up. I need to revisit the server to recognize everything. Alright. So, my notes here. Get out of this. Take to admin power. We need to try to find. Properties, extensions, security. I'm going to add your tab. Numbered add. Alright. Cool. So now, I can't see this. I'm gonna try her. Cool. That does not have admin power. Alright, we're gonna install this first. Close that down. And I know it. What's the hide itself here? Show this drive and files. That's the application. No. Yeah, that one. Much better. Alright, I was gonna say because then you go to the old one, it's kind of better. 7-zip. Let's see, can we do that? Windows 11 or here. What? Windows terminal, what? Alright, we're gonna try this here. We're gonna add into the reservoir, so we're gonna do that. Alright. And then we're gonna do the fuck? So, can I restart Explorer? Okay. That did not work. Just looking. No. You'll probably read it before nothing more. Later. Alright. So, to the out the list here. Can delete. Then throw my key down on the server. I don't know what to do for all users, so for me. More options. Cannot. Yeah. Alright, or menu. I heard that. That's not what this. Alright, that is done. Cool. So we don't have putty installed. Hear that installed? We had it already. Then you go to virtualbox.org. Downloads. Windows host. We go to Steam. Oh, fuck. Block that out. Gonna install that. I'll come on within C off my other drive. And we just need Discord. Over Windows. With the MC, dumbass. With the MC, we're gonna go to the other drive. Or documents. And we're gonna zip this out because it's a pain in the ass to copy around. So that goes on. Let's start installing shit one by one. I have, yeah. Discord setup. It's for school, by the way, if you're curious. This something exclusive I had to do a gut thing with for Linux. Can I just say the Linux VI editor is a piece of fucking shit? My god, I hate the thing. The VI and VI is just god awful. Whoever invented that, you can fucking rot in hell for all I care. Oh. You know, you haven't installed Discord. Interesting. Go fuck yourself. Edge. Alright. I'll do that later. Here. This as well. Box. It's gonna let admin right to buy, isn't it? Yeah. Yep. Sure. Alright. Now where is the Steam library stored? So why it sounded so bad, and yeah. My mic was laying down on my lap the whole time, and I just assumed I had it in the warm up. Oh boy. Dumbass. I thought it sounded weird, but yeah. Whatever. That was what? 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, these are why we covered, but I'm gonna sign it here first. God, I'm an idiot. I didn't notice it fell off. I wonder if it sounded like shit, but I thought you just. Alright. Maybe it's sending to here, and I'll come back. We'll go in the library. I realize you can send the QR code and just turn on your phone, so. The inner shit. Cool. Alright, so let's see here. Let's go to the. It's still going, go down. Let's go to the old router. Files, Steam. And what does that tell us to? Steam, it's common. And there we go. So we go to new driver. Or looks Steam apps. And there's no comment for this one. We're going to just do the whole folder and just copy the new one over. The old one actually. And that's gonna take a minute, maybe not. 15, yeah. It's all internal though. It's going fast, damn. How full is this drive? Yeah, I have. This is the first 500 drive. We're going to clone this over to here. But first I need to get off the old drive first. That's what I'm trying to do here. Has the other thing done yet? No. Alright, oh, wait, slow to crawl. Alright, we got rid of the box, got Steam, working on that, I got Discord done. Print I'll do later, fuck 'em. Hey. Ugh. That one's done. Run Steam on the library here. Does it show that they're downloaded? No. Let me try this here. Something Steam related running. Yeah. We're gonna just kill everything Steam related. And let it refresh. Cool. Oh. I've been password for some reason. Oh. Yeah, you know this shit. But they have to refill the whole fucking game though. That'd be nice. They don't on sale around Black Friday. Oh, cool, I just grab it now. So. Alright, let's like, oh, come on, fuck on. There we go, finally. Cool. Oh. Yeah, enjoy a minute. Alright, so that's running. It's fine. And of course, yeah, I didn't hit him. Alright. Now it's done. Cool. So I can go back into here. Documents. What the fuck? I covered the first one. This is 124. Yeah. Put the document here. Go ahead and paste. It's terrible. This error. I can close this down now. Yeah. What I want to do too is compare to the test bar. Move this turning back over here. Oh, this one. Test bar. Wait, yes. And then when I go to the left here, where it should be. Can I go to the weather better? I don't care for the weather better. Search is fine, task view, what's this? Okay, there. Check, fuck off too, I don't use that. Alright. That's better. Yeah, let's do it there. And then, yeah. I just gonna go off camera a little bit. I'll leave my truck going first. I don't think it's fun to do for the fucking Java. Oh boy. Got to struck with this here. And you know it's gonna take a minute. Alright. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go off camera. Get some things covered over. Personal stuff. I'll come back. So, alright. Now the important part. Trying to get my traffic going on the new system. Will this quite work? Sort of, yes. But of course we have no Java. So, damn. I do gotta wonder, can I just copy it from the old drive? Be kinda cool, kinda doubt it works. 1.8, yeah, so, well, I do need that one for modded though. I really doubt this is gonna work, but if it does, cool. And yet another admin prompt. Alright. The 4-bit Java. Again, I thought this was gonna work, but you don't know until you try. Alright. Shut that down. And I'm gonna try that again. Didn't go fine that time. Alright, let's see if it worked or not. I'll pick. Yeah. Alright. That seemingly has worked. I wanna use it for that just in case. It's buggy. Normally stuff like that doesn't work. I'm just kinda surprised. But hey, like I said, you gotta until you try, so the fact that works. Huh. How about that? Do I have cheats on her? Yeah, I do. Is it stable? And the OBS kind of fucking up. Let's try the actual Minecraft setting for OBS. That'd be better. No, it still stutters a bit. It's weird. I don't know what that does. That's flat turned on. I have a left monitor set. Oh. Yeah. It was not turned on. Whatever. Alright, enough of that. Let's see if modded will work. I say that because it needs a different version of Java to work. Alright, let's remember that. Alright, cool. Oh, that'll be fun. Alright. All that's left for me covering a few of the things. I'll do it off camera. I believe that's it. It's pretty good to go. So yeah, alright. So next video where we will try to make sure everything's good. I will start getting to the other SSD and putting the machine back to normal. So that's a little tight, as you can see. Alright, I'll see you guys. I know I don't really care. I've been running Windows 11 for a couple of weeks now on that SATA SSD still. Last week I wanted to complete the transition, get it on the NVMe drive, but I got sick, so I didn't have it. So today, today at work, I'm working on projects and stuff. Do it off camera. My plan is though to image the NVMe drive first, just to back up in case I forgot something on there. Then I'll clone the SATA drive to the NVMe drive, pull the SATA SSD out, reconnect the hard drive in there, and all be done. So I'll do it off camera because I've done it 100 times on camera with measurement parts. That'll be it for this video. I'll do it ending of course, but let's try this. Oh yeah, I'll just have a bit of Windows 10 drive too before I kill it. Do it. So you should boot the Windows 10 drive now. I've marked it up. 97 EVO. You can get this. So it won't work. So alright, and now I'm gonna reboot and wipe this out. Alright. So I've been using the computer for a while now with Windows 11 on it, and for the most part, it works just fine. One minor issue I have is sometimes the keyboard just cuts out intermittently. I'll be like typing something or playing a game, using WASD or just typing out something, and it just doesn't read the input from the keyboard anymore. I have changed the keyboard, that didn't do anything. Never had that Windows 10. I'm not sure what's going on there. It doesn't like my USB ports. It doesn't like the keyboard itself, the receiver. I don't know. I haven't gotten a notice to try and fix it yet, and it's so intermittent. It'd be hard to fix. I need to try that, but I haven't bothered yet. So, my notes here real quick. The issue I had, it could have been bad. Okay, it wasn't. Luckily I had an image of the Windows 10 drive to pull from. My Minecraft folder, somehow when I recorded an episode after I installed Windows 11, but still had the Windows 10 drive in, somehow I used the motherboard from the Windows 10 drive instead of the one I copied over to the Windows 11 drive. And that's what happened. So I almost lost my progress that I made. Okay, I did not because I had a backup copy or image of the Windows 10 drive to pull that from. And the other issue I had, I'll just show you this, was the Windows 10 drive would not boot after the Windows 11 install. So my real plan was to have the Windows 10 drive, which is the NVMe drive in my computer, plug in a spare SATA SSD, put Windows 11 on there, and go from there. The issue was, instead of Windows 11 ignoring the Windows 10 drive and putting its own bootloader onto the Windows 11 drive, it modified the Windows 10 bootloader to have itself in Windows 10, and it didn't work. I unplugged the Windows 11 drive. I couldn't boot up Windows 10. I don't know how that happened. If the Windows 11 was relying on the Windows 10 drive for the bootloader, and when I pulled that drive out, it fucked everything up, wouldn't work. So I had to reinstall Windows 11 again with the NVMe drive disconnected, and I could no longer boot up Windows 10. My hope was because I had school to do, my hope was to keep Windows 10 on the main NVMe drive and boot that when I had stuff to do, and then slowly migrate to Windows 11. That didn't work. So next time, if you want to do this too, pull out your old drive. Don't be lazy with that. Don't be lazy like I did, and not unplug it because it backfired. Not a major issue. It still kind of sucked. Other than that, it was fun. I did everything went smoothly. That was no problem. What else is having an issue? What was the issue I've been having with it? I forget what it is. What is it? I don't know. But overall, I do like Windows 11. Yeah, it's got a few hiccups, but so did 10. Oh yeah, my printer driver had an issue. That's what it was. So I went to install my printer driver for my printer, and of course, admin rights, no problem. So I put in my admin account, and it said I wasn't the admin. Okay. I put in the domain administrator account login, as in the main Windows administrator account for the domain controller. It wouldn't take that. I logged in as the account, it wouldn't work. I had to use the built-in local admin account to get the printer driver to install. I had to use the built-in on the local PC administrator account. Or no, just the default account, my default user account to get the printer installed. I don't know why. I don't know if that Windows 11 thing or the printer driver not recognizing active directory, but I could not install it without logging in as the local admin, which is weird, but okay. Something else that I do, I had to log in to, I don't know. So, yeah, it's minor hiccups here and there. Overall, though, I've had a good time with it. I've never problem with it. I've had problems with minor ones. But yeah. So, that is the Windows 11 install on my main PC. And the failed slow condition, which is going to turn to a rush job. But it is what it is, and such is life. Hope you all enjoyed. Listen, guys. Take it easy.